So after a previous segment about poor man's food becoming rich man's food, we challenged Chef Dave Paul to create a couple of recipes that will elevate everyday food items. Hopefully the price don't go up. So let's get to it. Now, again, welcome back to the Smile. Happy to have you with us as always.
Always. I feel like I live here now.
Yeah. You should probably just move in around one part.
Everything. All right, cool. Yeah, that's no problem. I bring my stove over and everything, pots and pans and everything.
We set up a tent too. What items of affordable food items are you choosing to elevate to gourmet style this morning?
All right, so today we're just going to do some turkey neck. Because earlier I heard someone mentioning some oxtails. I hope the chef have oxtails. So I went close enough and we brought some turkey neck.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah, but you know, see him still.
You don't see him? Yeah.
Yeah. But
all right, the turkey neck less expensive than the oxtail.
Right.
And the bone them kind of look the same.
Just as juicy and delicious as the person who was eating the oxtail in the lunchroom.
All right, so turkey neck, and you've got fish too?
Yeah, we have some fish, so we're going to do a honey garlic fish bulgur bowl.
Okay.
All right, which consists of bulgur. We're going to do some veg, put some veg in it. We have some avocado, pear, if you want to call it that.
A pear, Jamaica with a pear name.
All right, well, we have international listeners.
Welcome to Jamrock, it named pear.
Right, we can add some, we have ripe plantain, we have tomato, which is very expensive right now.
Yes.
Yeah, and we just combine the flavors and, you know, make it nice.
Why did you choose these two items?
These are, at the moment, less expensive. They're delicious. They're packed with flavors, nutrients, all of those, you know, nice stuff. So we just decided that we're going to work with these. Like persons at home, they can just go to the shop or go to the supermarket, grab these items, and they can make the same meal.
All right. I see a pot of bubble. That's the turkey neck. So let's get right into that one.
So we have turkey neck here.
How did you prepare it, by the way?
All right. So this turkey neck, we smoke it.
Right now, sir. Yeah, man.
So we use a grill, or some people say a jerk pan or whatever. We use a grill. We do it, smoke it for about 45 minutes. Within that, after we clean, season, all of that. So it's like you're jerking.
You can buy smoked turkey neck though?
Yeah, you can buy smoked turkey. But however, I use some pimento. We use pimento seed, pimento leaves, and whatever. So we give it a different flavor from the one that you probably get in the supermarket. So it's more local flavors, and you know. Yeah. So it's sticking to roots.
If you don't have a grill at home, how you does smoke it?
You can crush the pimento. You can probably do it in a pot where you burn the pimento. Yeah. Or you can probably use a coal stove. Yeah. Okay. You do it outside. You can put the little pimento seeds in it, or use the pimento sticks. Right. And you can just use a mesh or regular grill or whatever. Just put it right. Because what we did, we just did that to get the flavor, the smoky flavor and texture, and like to basically half cook it. And then we're now cooking it down in a sauce. All right. To give it an additional flavor.
Let's get to it.
To this, we're going to add some. We're going to do some sautéed veg, which is going with our polenta.
You've got turned cornmeal there, sir.
I have polenta here, sir.
Your polenta?
Yes, polenta.
So polenta and your smoked turkey neck.
Right.
And so it's vegetable infused polenta with smoked turkey neck. Is that the way to say it?
Well, you can do it. You can do it with vegetables, or you can do it without. But because I'm doing it with some sautéed veg, which I have right here, I'm going to.
You have to do it because the time I race past.
Right. So because we're going to add some sautéed veg, we didn't add any veg to that.
To the polenta?
Right.
Okay. And I see carrots, I see string beans, I see cauliflower, I see broccoli?
Right, definitely. Right. So the vegetable choice would be yours, depends on personal preference, and you know, anything you want to add, you can add.
And you just cooking it in butter, sauteing it.
Right, and then you can add
some into it. No aromatics now add to it.
Yeah,
garlic,
so we're adding a little bit of garlic, a little bit of scallion, just a little bit of...
A pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper.
Right. But what I'm going to do is, this is a mixture of smoked paprika. Yeah. So you give it another layer of smoky flavor, salt, and some onion powder. And just give it a simple toss.
So for who want to impress ladies on a budget, this works very well.
This works very well, very well. Just invite her over.
A fancy name.
Yes.
Braise the turkey neck with a vegetable-infused polenta.
Whichever one you want. And because we blanched the veg earlier, so it's already half cooked, so we just basically
and
just
explain the process of blanching different from boiling, because you're using the steam to cook versus the immersion in the hot water, right?
So blanching, you basically use hot water, you submerge the veg in it, remove it, and then you cool it with cold water.
Okay.
So it's hot water, then you cool it. And then when you're going to complete the cooking process or whatever, you can, toss it, add your flavors, your seasoning and stuff like that.
Catch the flavors in the air.
So this is ready to go.
All right.
Right. Turkey neck is also ready, so we can plate this in the meantime.
Yeah, man, plate it, man, because we only have 3 minutes to go.
3 minutes? All right, that's not bad.
And look at me having breakfast. I like this show. Thank you so much, Television Jamaica, for this opportunity to have free breakfast.
You're right.
And this is the polenta.
Right.
Or the turn corn meal.
Right. And to this we use coconut milk, some salt, a little bit of pepper, whichever season you want to add, because basically everything is based on personal preference, because you have persons.
And you've allowed the vegetables to get a little char on it, so it releases another layer of flavor as well.
Right.
All right, good stuff.
And then we're going to top it off with
the braised turkey
neck.
Well,
so we have that, right?
Well
we're going to put like about 3 pieces.
3 pieces, not bad.
Right. And then we can put a little bit of the sauce on it.
Nice.
And also what I did with this polenta is, as soon as the cooking process was completed, we topped it with some Parmesan cheese. A little bit of butter, Parmesan cheese, so it have a creamy texture, flavor, and everything.
Good.
All right, so for the bowl, we're going to use...
And this is the fish you're going to do now?
Yes, so we're going to use... Right. So we're going to make like 2 of them. So we use the base.
Let's get this out the way.
Right. For the base, we're going to put just a little bit of lettuce.
Yeah.
And then we add some bulgur to it.
That's right.
And you can use a discretion based on the amount you want. All right.
And what's the preparation for the fish like?
The fish, we pan-seared it. Just use a little bit of oil. And then we can add some avocado to this.
That's great. So the smoke is...
We're doing live
because
cooking.
Of the burnt,
live cooking.
Yeah, the burnt seasoning.
It's tickling your nose a bit.
It is.
All right, so we'll put the rest right here.
Yeah, man, if you take it off of the pot. Remember to do that at home here, folks.
Yes.
Don't leave your pots on the hot surface.
Yeah, we're doing live cooking.
That's right. That's right.
So we add a little bit of plant into that. And then we add...
this made the meal gone gourmet now. Well expensive.
Well expensive.
The tomato
right.
Price
so with the tomato alone, it's probably about $1,500 for this already.
Yeah.
And the fish, when you fish added then...
Right now, you make some cook shop, I'm going to start charge for turn corn meal and turkey neck on a different level. So you pan-sear the fish, you said.
Right.
And then now you're cutting it up. Let's see if we can get something on that. And there's a recipe on screen, folks. You need about a pound of fish fillets, lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half tablespoon of vinegar, garlic. That's 2 cloves of garlic, a couple teaspoons of smoked paprika, and what's that? Oregano, and the sea salt and black pepper. All right, in modest amounts.
Modest amount. So we top it off with some sweet pepper, and then we can put a little bit of honey garlic. This is the honey garlic.
Oh, so how did you prepare that honey garlic?
So we use some ground garlic, use honey, 2 secret ingredients.
Come on now, Dave. Oh, man, don't do me that.
It's a nice sauce. It's
a nice sauce.
Yes, it's a nice sauce, and it pair well with the fish.
All right,
right.
good stuff.
So these are our finished product.
There we go. Let's see if I can get an angle on this bowl. This is a beautiful bowl.
Yeah, and you can add more stuff to it if you want. If you like fruits, you can add that to it. Or if you want to use a different sauce instead of the honey garlic, you can probably use a ranch dressing or Thousand Island, something like that, whichever one you choose.
Yeah, no man, the bowl look nice, man. Brilliant breakfast bowl. And you don't have to break the bank.
It's very cost effective, very.
Absolutely don't have to break the bank. Thank you so much for being here. Where can we find your cooking?
I'm located at 111B Mullines Road. That's Kingston 20, right next to UNN Pharmacy.
All right, that's how you there.
Yeah, right down the road. Or you can find me on Instagram at Chef Dave Paul. You can email me, chefdavepaul@gmail.com. Even this Friday coming, we have a pop-up kitchen doing at the location. So if persons are interested.
Right side of UNN Pharmacy.
Right side of UNN, just WhatsApp.
Free food or you have to buy? Taste and buy?
Taste and buy. Or you pay the cashier and then,
Oh, buy and taste.
Yeah.
Okay, you buy first.
Because if I say that now, then I'm pretty sure my phone won't stop ringing until probably about next week, Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You've elevated turkey neck and fish fillets for us this morning. Amazing stuff.
Thank you very much.